Hello students, lecture number 1 for the chapter binomial distribution. Now from name of the chapter it is clear that bi meaning is 2 and nomial matlab number. For two numbers distribution, but that is the distribution about the probabilities. Therefore it is the binomial distribution of the probabilities. Now particularly in this chapter we are going to consider only such type of events and their respective probabilities which are exactly complementary of each other, like yes and no, true and false, right and wrong, success and failure. Therefore here we are starting with saying that a random experiment which has only two mutually exclusive outcomes, that means no common outcomes, like yes and no, as I told you, success and failure, true and false, and if such experiment is repeated n times and in each trial the probability of success, that is a greater than 0 less than 1, is constant, then all such trials, the name is given as Bernoulli's trials. An experiment of n repeated independent Bernoulli's trials is called as a binomial experiment. Consider a binomial experiment and outcomes in each trials be success S or a failure F with a probability P and 1 minus P is equal to Q, that is the probability for the failure, because P plus Q is equal to 1. And capital X denotes the number of success, that is the capital X is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to n. Then the probability of capital X, that is the Px, given by the binomial formula NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. This formula is similar to the nth term in the binomial expansion. And why the formula for NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X similar to the binomial expansion? Because these are the two exactly opposite events. P is a true, then Q will be false. P is suppose 4 by 5, then Q will be 1 minus 4 by 5, that is a 1 by 5. Such probabilities are called as a complementary of each other, and only such events are repeated, then we are considering the binomial distribution. Now P will be greater than 0 less than 1 and Q is equal to 1 minus P, because P plus Q is equal to 1. And capital X, this is a symbol such that B bracket n comma P denotes the X follows binomial distribution. X follows binomial distribution. Then the mean of a random variable capital X, mean, that is the Ex, is equal to n into P, and variance is equal to n into P into Q, and standard deviation is equal to square root of variance of X, that is the square root of n into P into Q. These formulas directly we are taking without any derivation. Now example, consider the probability of hitting a target in any shot is 0.2. If the 10 such shots are fired, find the probability that target will be hit at least twice. Capital X number of shots hitting the target. Probability for success is 0.2 hitting the target. Then exactly complementary will be the 1 minus P, is not going to hit 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. N is 10 because 10 trials are there, and X follows binomial distribution of NP. N is 10 and P is 0.2. The probability mass function of capital X is given by Px is equal to NCX P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. 10Cx P raised to X Q raised to 10 minus X, and X taking the value from 0 to 10. Now P, that target will be hit at least twice, that means 2 or greater than 2, means probability for X is equal to 2 plus X equal to 3 plus X is equal to 4 plus dot 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 probability for X is equal to 10. Now instead of adding from 2 to 10, we are adding 1 minus probability of X equal to 0 plus X equal to 1, because in the 0 to 10, 2 to 10 already consider, and that is exactly equal to opposite of that P 2 to 10, exactly opposite of Px equal to 0 plus Px equal to 1. That means 1 minus 10C0 P raised to 0 Q raised to 10 plus 10C1 P raised to 1 Q raised to 9. Then 1 minus bracket 10C0 0.2 raised to 0, 0.8 raised to 10 plus 10C1, 0.2 raised to 1, 0.8 raised to 9. Now 1 minus bracket 10C0 is 1, 0.2 raised to 0 is 1 and 0.8 raised to 10 plus 10C1 is 10 into 0.2 raised to 1, 0.2 and 0.8 raised to 9. Now 0.8 raised to 9 we can take out common. 1 into 1 into 0.8 remaining 0.8 plus 2.0, 10 into 0.2, 2.0 or 2. Now 2 plus 0.8 is 2.8. 2.8 into 0.8 raised to 9. This we have to do by log calculation and then subtract from 1. Final answer is 0.6241. That is the final answer. Such problem for 3 marks. Thank you.